I think there's geese over there. I scared her. The ducks. Come on, Kaya. The exact second I start walking, it starts raining. And it's not really enough rain to like, I don't know, get me to stop digging and move on. What was that? Okay, whatever that was enough to get me to move on. Kaya. Super glad I'm right by my truck. Did you hear that on the camera? Okay, come on. Okay, come on. Camera battery just died right then. I just got in the truck. It's only been like 30 seconds because I had an extra battery in my pocket. Always perfect timing though for batteries to die. So that was like a loud squelch roar. I'm actually like shaking a little bit. So I don't know if you guys heard that. I'm gonna have to check it when I do editing. I don't know what in the hell that was. I don't see anything anywhere. There's no other people up here. I hope I didn't forget anything. Driving back. Like my hat? I like my hat. I was just thinking that whatever in the hell that screaming sound was, if it would have happened when I was digging like up in the trees there a little bit, I don't know, it already freaked me out. I don't know. It already freaked me out. I don't know. It already freaked me out. I'm just glad whatever that noise was, it happened when I was already packed and like almost to my truck. And I don't know what the hell that was. I don't believe in Sasquatch. I think the BFRO is just Hollywood. But I don't know what in the hell I just heard. And I hate shit like that because, you know, that makes me afraid to go back and do what I want to do. I don't know.